Now let me show you an additional feature in the pay application between the general contractor and the owner. Let me log in as an owner. Now let's select a closed pay application between the owner and the general contractor. On clicking it, you see that all the stages of the pay application are closed, and you can see something called Download Documents. This folder is from where we can select a set of documents that we may require, and then click on Download. There is an option called Pay App Report, which we can click here. That is an important document we need to submit to the bank for them to validate the work has been done in the present payment cycle. On clicking this and downloading it, we can access the Pay App Report for that particular pay app. It's a pretty comprehensive report, which consists of all the required inspector reports, G702, G703, the project summary, waiver tracking, and so on and so forth. This saves a lot of time for the owner's team to create such pay app reports.